Subscribe Be Nosy and turn on the notification bell to receive updates.
So hi, hello and welcome you all. I'm Anish Shivram and you're watching the interesting channel Be Nosy. Yes, I saw a commenter of a subscriber of Be Nosy. He has commented that, friend, you can do a video on Big Bang Theory. So today I have taken the topic. The topic is Big Bang Theory and I'm going to tell you more about Big Bang Theory and the future of universe. So come, let's start. So what is Big Bang Theory? An incredible explosion is made to create the universe, and many observations of the galaxies and the heat radiation from the spaces have proved this theory. Many astronomers are working so hard to explain from what Big Bang occurred to make the today's universe. Matter, energy, space and the invaluable time has been created along with the Big Bang explosion. Now I am going to tell you more about Big Bang Theory. The time and space has been created along with the Big Bang explosion, and this explosion started by pushing everything away from the universe, and the universe is being expanding ever since. As the universe is expanding, it dropped its temperature, that the temperature has gone down, and after a fraction of a second after the explosion, many new tiny particles started to form on their own. So by the time when the universe was 3 minutes old, it consisted of 75% of hydrogen and 25% of helium in 3 minutes, and everything existing now, that space, galaxy, planets, sun and B2 humans, was formed by those elements which was created between 15 million years ago. So now let's have a small talk on the future of the universe. Nobody knows the time what's going to happen, but the universe is being expanded and it's being less dense. So if you know the time when universe stops expanding, you can comment the time in the comment box below, and you can do comment all the curious science topics which can be discussed by Be Nosy to make us curious. So if you like this video, you can like by clicking the like button, and you can do share this video to your friends whom you want to know about Big Bang Theory and the explosion. So until then, it's bye from Anish Shivram, and don't forget to subscribe Be Nosy. So be nosy, be curious, goodbye.